that feels absolutely wonderful. Hey you guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's Amazon favorites video. It has been quite a while since I've done one of these videos. Honestly, it's mainly just because actually sitting down and filming these types of videos has been sporadic at best, but I'm trying to get better about it. I thought I would do a little roundup of some current Amazon favorites that I've been loving. I have a bunch of beauty, home, and then also a good chunk of fashion essentials that I have been meaning to share with you guys for the spring and the summer. Before we jump into it, as always, I want to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Sarah. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would subscribe and join my little YouTube community. And for everyone watching, as always, don't forget to like this video if you guys want to see more Amazon favorites videos, and then also leave me a comment down below of what your current Amazon favorites are. So like I said, it has been a little while since I filmed one of these, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I think I'm gonna start with fashion because I have a good little stack here of spring and summer tops and just like a couple of other things. The first piece that I want to share with you though is this tank top that I'm wearing. This is from the brand Quinsen. I think I've actually shared this tank top in a previous Amazon favorites video, but I wanted to share this one specifically. So these tank tops are just like basic spaghetti strap tank tops. So they're a really great closet basic, but what I love about these is that they're actually double lined, so you actually don't have to wear a bra underneath. I'll stand up here so you guys can see, but they're also like really supportive and shaping. And I wanted to share this one in particular because I think I've shared my navy blue one and my peach one before, but I just wanted to show it in this zebra one because I thought that this one was so fun. In the blue and the peach, those are just solid colors, which are obviously great to have, but I just thought that this zebra print was so much fun. I also like the fact that it's actually not black and white, it's black and like dark brown, so it can be very versatile and go with a lot of stuff. Next up in spring and summer tops from Amazon, this one is from the brand Pumier. Again, another double lined tank top, but I love this one because it's a high neck tank top, so I can actually wear this to the office in the summertime, which is always so great. I feel like when it comes to office outfits, sometimes you can struggle a little bit for like spring and summer because it's like super hot, but you don't want to be inappropriate. So I love this one because the straps are a little bit thick, and like I said, it's a nice high neckline, so it keeps it modest. I will say it is just like a little bit cropped. It's not like too cropped. As you guys can see, there is length on it, but for this, as long as you style it with high-waisted bottoms, there's no crop, so it can be totally office appropriate. And like I said, it is double lined, so it's gonna be super supportive. I actually don't wear a bra with this. I'll just put on a pair of my cakes underneath. That way I'm just like nice and comfortable. Then my next tank top for spring and summer, I actually have this in two different colors. I have it in this gray color and then also in a blue color, but this is from the brand Arola, and it's these thick ribbed tank tops. Again, super supportive. You don't have to wear a bra with it if you don't want to, but the straps are nice and thick, so you can wear a bra underneath if you need. It has a nice high neckline again, and I really love these tops for like a casual day at home. I just throw them on again since they're very supportive and I don't need a bra. It's very easy. I just throw this on with a pair of leggings or sweatpants or biker shorts in the summer, and it's just super comfortable, very airy and breathable. And then also too, I really like these tank tops for Disneyland. I've worn them to Disneyland a couple of times, and again, it's very comfortable. You don't have to wear a bra, but it's supportive enough that you can walk around all day at the parks and not feel uncomfortable. Then moving on to a couple of other fashion items. This first one is a bra from the brand Dobreva. I am obsessed with this bra. This is my favorite bra in my collection. I'd always wanted to start getting more into just like nicer underwear, just, you know, to like feel good underneath my clothes. And I feel like bras, especially like pretty bras, are getting so expensive, but what I love about this one is that it's actually a pretty decent price. It's definitely under $50, might even be like around 30. I can't remember. I got it a little while ago, but I remember it was affordable enough that I definitely want to go back and get more colors. So it's a lace balconette bra, and then it has these little pads here in the inside, so it gives you just like a little bit of a lift, nothing too dramatic, just so that your girls are sitting up really nicely. And then I love the lace on it. I think that the lace is so pretty. This is super supportive. It fits really well. It's got 3 hooks in the back, so it really like holds you in, and it just looks super gorgeous on. Whenever I wear this bra, I just feel like so confident. It's just such a pretty design without breaking the bank. Then lastly for fashion is this athletic dress. I know you guys can't see it fully in the frame. I'll definitely put a photo on the screen, but this is a dress that I had in my wish list for a little while, and I'm so glad that I got it. I absolutely love this one. It's a square neckline, and then I really like this one because it's like very undetectable that it's an athletic dress or a romper dress from the front. The front just kind of like glides over you very seamlessly. It looks like a very nice dress. I will say the only thing that I don't like is the back, because this racer back is absolutely what gives away the fact that it's an active dress, but that's okay. There are worse things. Like you can just throw a jacket jacket over it or just say screw it and just wear it as is, who cares? But as with all athletic dresses, it does have a pair of shorts underneath and it also has a pocket, which is nice. And I just love the way that this one fits. I feel like it just glides really effortlessly over my midsections. So for me, camouflaging the places that I'm the most self-conscious about. And it's just such a pretty silhouette. It's such a pretty structure. And again, just like from the front, you'd never know that it's an athletic dress. Then moving on to, I guess, my one beauty item. So this one is kind of niche, but if you have the Shark Flex style, I highly recommend getting this attachment. I had been looking for a round brush attachment for my Shark for a while, and I got the one that they make, but the barrel on it's too big. It didn't give me the curls that I wanted. So I found this one on Amazon. It's not made by Shark, but it is made for the Shark, and it works so seamlessly. The color on this also matches the Shark, so you honestly would never know. But this honestly has revolutionized styling my hair. This is actually what I used to do these waves today. I did them kind of loose. This isn't like as bouncy as it can get. You can get your hair really, really bouncy with this. And this was me just touching up. I think my hair's like on day 3, and even on day 3, I feel like these are really good waves. But my favorite way to use this is I'll dry my hair to about, I would say like 85% with the Shark without an attachment. And then I'll put this on, and then I'll put it on the highest heat setting, but lowest power. And I'll finish out my hair with this when it's still like just a little bit damp. And doing that gives my hair so much bounce and life. And because I'm styling it from damp, finishing it with this, the style lasts for at least a couple of days, and it also cuts down on my styling time. Instead of having to dry my hair to 100% and then styling it, I'm styling it during the last little bit while I'm drying it. Then moving on to a couple of like household slash lifestyle items. The first one is for my new breakfast obsession. I have been super into overnight oats lately. I am on a whole fiber kick. It's a whole thing if you watch my vlogs. But because of that, overnight oats have been my favorite way to get in a ton of fiber in the morning. And I have been loving these little overnight oats containers. I don't know what it was. I really wanted ones with bamboo tops. I wanted the aesthetic of it. But prepping overnight oats in the morning has been a game changer, especially for the days that I go into the office. It's just super easy. I just grab it to go, maybe take a couple bites before I leave, but I can finish it up at my desk. And it just makes my mornings so easy and so seamless. So these ones come in a pack of 4. So I'll just prep the overnight oats in these and pop them in the fridge. And I literally have breakfast that I can just like grab and go for 4 mornings in a row. And these like look kind of small. They're the 10-ounce ones, but they actually hold a lot. First time I made overnight oats, I didn't really know what I was doing, so I kind of overfilled them. But once I figured out the ratios better, this holds a ton. You're gonna get a nice hearty portion in these that's gonna satiate you all the way through lunch. Then next is a vase that I love. I have flowers in it. I didn't want to take it out, but I have been loving this vase. I got it for my dining room table for fresh flowers. I had just been seeing so many people have this style of vase, and I just like, I got influenced, I got FOMO. I decided to get it, and it's been my absolute favorite vase. I haven't even like touched any of my other vases since I purchased it, but this is a large double-tiered fluted glass vase, and it just looks so gorgeous on any table. It just adds a little style and dimension to your decor. It's like a little bit different from like your typical vase shapes, and I just think that it's so beautiful with some flowers in it. Whether you fill it up all the way or you leave it a little sparse like this, it just looks so pretty. Then a couple of other decor favorites I don't have on me because I like don't want to unplug them or lift them off of my drawer. But the first one is actually a headband organizer that I got for my many Mickey ears. It's a whole thing. I got a Disneyland pass. I did a whole video sharing my full ears collection. If you guys want to see that, I will link it down below. But the collection was getting out of control, and I wanted a way to organize them because I had them all just like thrown in a bin before. So I found this hanging headband organizer, and it has been so great. I love having all of my ears on display. It has 24 slots, which is both good and bad because now I know I have room for a ton more ears if I want to get them, but that's a problem for another video. I love having the ears on display. It makes it really easy for me to see them and pick which one I want to wear when I'm getting ready for the parks. And it comes with a few different ways to hang it. I'm using the door hangers for right now, but there's a few different attachments, so you have a ton of different options on how to hang it from your door, or you can even hang it on your wall. Just love the way it looks on the back of my door. It keeps everything organized and on display and very easy to access. Then the next favorite that I can't bring out here is my new lamps. I just don't want to unplug them, but I recently got new nightstand lamps to give my bedroom a little bit of a refresh, and I really love the ones that I picked out. They're these like washed white, kind of like geometric style lamps, and I think that they look so stylish. They look so beautiful. I also love the lampshades that came with them. They're just like a nice crisp like off-white linen, and the style of it has just like completely brightened up and warmed up my room. Before, I used to have these like cold steel lamps, and I feel like bringing in these new lamps that are kind of like a wood texture has just really upgraded my space and made it feel a lot more homey. And then also what's fun with these is that they have 3 different light settings. You can do a warm light setting, a daylight natural light setting, or a cool setting. So depending on my mood and how bright I want it to be in my room, I have a bunch of different options. Then next for home decor is my new drying mat for my sink. So sorry if this is a little bit dingy. I tried to clean it off before I put it on camera, but trust me, this is a lot better than what I had before. I used to have one of those like cloth drying mats for underneath my dish strainer, and that got so dingy and so gross so quickly. So I saw these moisture absorbing stone ones, and I just thought that they were so pretty, and it's been such an upgrade for my kitchen. It looks so much better on the countertop than the one before, and they don't get as dingy, but if they do get dirty, they're very, very easy to wipe off and clean. So this was just like a great little small kitchen upgrade that has just made the space feel so much nicer. Then up next in the kitchen, I've been raving about this on my vlogs, and it is my electric can opener. I am obsessed with this thing. Like, I love it too much. I have to open up a lot of cans for my dog for his food, and my old manual can opener was just getting very, very hard to use. I think it was starting to rust. So I decided that I wanted to finally get an electric can opener, and I am in love with this thing. It's so nice. You literally just pop it onto the can and it just does the work itself. I can like go do something else for like a minute while this opens the can, and then I come back, and then when I open the can, it doesn't open from the inside. It opens like the outside of the can. So the top comes off completely clean, so that if you're not using everything in the can, it's easy to pop the lid back on and you can keep stuff stored in there. So I know an electric can opener may sound a little extra, but I honestly cannot recommend one enough. Then next is a couple of randoms. The first one are these pens. I started journaling again earlier this year, and I knew that I would be more into it if I got pens that I liked to write with. I don't know, that's just how my brain works. I like any pens that are nice and fine because I feel like for my style of handwriting, it looks best the thinner the pen. So I got these fine liner pens. These are 0.38 millimeters. They're nice and fine and thin, and this pack comes with like a bunch of different colors. But the tip on these, like I said, look at how fine that is. Like, you don't get any finer than that. And here, I'll do like a little swipe here. You guys can see it's just like a nice crisp thin line. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I probably picked a terrible color. Let me do a darker color. Yeah, you can see nice and crisp. I don't think that was much better, but I mean, because the line is so fine. Yeah, if you are someone who likes multiple color pens and then also you like something super, super thin, I highly recommend these. These are a really good price and you get a lot of different colors. Then my last random favorite, this one is definitely for the summertime if you're doing summertime activities, or for my fellow theme park girlies, especially Disney girlies. This fan, oh my god, I am obsessed with this. This saved me so much the last time I went to Disneyland on a hot day. This fan is so, so, so powerful. It has a bunch of different settings and it goes up like pretty powerful. I think, yeah, that feels absolutely wonderful. It's super powerful. And then it also actually has an icebox setting. So it basically becomes like AC, because this part becomes really, really cold and then the air blows out from it, and it literally feels like AC right next to your face. It's so nice. Like I said, the last time I went to Disneyland on a super hot day, this literally saved me. And then also too, I don't have it on here, but it comes with a lanyard. So you could literally hang this off of your neck and have it sit right here and have the cold air constantly blowing at you. It's so, so nice. And then it also comes with a little flashlight on the bottom, just in case you need that. Cannot recommend enough for the summertime, especially if you're someone like me who runs hot. This is gonna save you during the hot months. All right, you guys, well, that is all of my Amazon favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions on anything, as always, feel free to leave me a comment down below and also tell me some of your current Amazon favorites. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I love you guys. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you very soon again in my next video. Bye.